Hello students, we are watching lesson number 5 pronouns, and in previous video we have discussed about personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns and emphatic pronouns. So dear students, in last video I have explained reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun, but I haven't given you proper idea. Okay, so that's why here I will elaborate more. Okay, so let us take two examples. You yourself have to tell me which is reflexive and which is emphatic. Okay, so first is written the dog hurt itself and second is written they themselves admitted their guilt. Okay, so there is a small difference. Suppose if I will hide this word, so you will get only the dog hurt. If I will use the dog hurt, अभी उसने खुद को हर्ट किया कि किसी दूसरे को हर्ट किया कि किसी दूसरे चीज से हर्ट हो गया, we will not get the clear idea if we will not include this. बराबर है, तो ये हमको यहाँ पे इनकम्प्लीट सेंस मिल रही है. करेक्ट. So that is means this is reflexive pronoun. Why? Because without this sentence is incomplete. समझ में आया? ये अगर हमने हटाया समझो तो यहाँ पे हमको प्रॉपर मीनिंग नहीं मिलेगा. करेक्ट. So this is very important from the point of view of this sentence, and that's why this is reflexive. Got it? This is reflexive pronoun. And suppose if I will hide this, they admitted their guilt. Is there any problem? मैंने इसको हटाया समझो. Then also you are getting a proper meaning of the sentence. इसको रखा नहीं रखा तो भी चल जाता है, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि they admitted their guilt. Correct? You are getting clear cut idea that who admitted their guilt. Even if I will not put this one themselves, ये नहीं रखा तो भी ठीक है, रखा तो भी ठीक है. So that is means this is not important here. Okay, this is kept here just to point out that particular, जोर देने के लिए. Okay, इसको नहीं रखा तो भी चलता था, यहाँ पे रखना जरूरी है, यहाँ पे रखना जरूरी नहीं है इतना, फिर भी हमको यहाँ पे मीनिंग मिलता है, यहाँ पे नहीं रखे तो मीनिंग नहीं मिलता. So that is what the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Got it? So now this is what the difference you have to keep in mind. Okay, otherwise you will get confused if you don't know this difference. ये सिर्फ नहीं रहा तो हमको क्लियर कट आइडिया नहीं मिलेगी कि डॉग क्या हर्ट कर रहा है, किसके साथ हर्ट कर रहा है, क्या हो गया. ओके, बट हियर ये नहीं रखा, रिफ्लेक्सिव में वो समझ में आ जाता है, वो नहीं रखा तो मीनिंग ही नहीं मिलेगा. बट यहाँ पे रखा तो भी मीनिंग मिलता है, नहीं रखा तो भी मीनिंग मिलता है. ओके, तो इसको अगर नहीं भी बोला समझो तो भी हमको मीनिंग मिल रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन. गॉट इट? नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन एंड indefinite pronoun. So let us start with demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is used to point out objects to which they refer. Okay, to which they refer. Objects को point out करता है demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so which are the demonstrative pronouns? This, that, these, those. Okay, see, you must know what is the difference between pronouns and adjectives, otherwise you will get misinterpreted. Okay, so learn the rules, see the rules. Okay, so this is my house, this is my house. So this word is pointing out to my house, and that's why this is a pronoun. What is this? Is a pronoun. Then these are some apples. So it is about some apples, this word is came to point out that some apples. Got it? And that's why we can say this is a which pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because this is pointing out some apples and this is point out my house. Got it? Means that is demonstrating. Okay, this is used for the thing which is near, one thing, एक चीज. Okay, that is showing for one thing which is away. Okay, these पास की ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए रेफर होता है एंड दोज दूर की ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए रेफर होता है. सो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. गॉट इट? देन नेक्स्ट इज indefinite pronoun. So indefinite pronoun refers to people or things in a general way but do not refer to any person or thing in particular. पर्टिकुलर वही पर्सन के बारे में यूज नहीं होता, वो जनरल सेंस में यूज होता है. ओके, पॉइंट आउट करके हम नहीं बोलते कि इसी बच्चे को करना है या इसी बच्चे को नहीं करना है करके. ये जनरल सेंस में बोला जाता है इसको. ओके, जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, somebody has stolen my camera. So do you know who? Don't know. But somebody means in general sense we say that somebody has stolen my camera, but I don't know exactly. Correct? And that's why this somebody word is indefinite pronoun, because we are not getting definitely idea about which person. Okay, then let us see second. Nobody was there to help me. Nobody was there to help me. Okay, so this nobody is a indefinite pronoun. Okay, so I hope dear students you understood demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and what is the small difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Okay, this is very important. You should not get confused. Okay, even if this is not used, it's okay. Used, then also okay. But here it is compulsory. If we will just not keep this here, then you will have the incomplete sentence. Okay, that's why this is in reflexive and this is in emphatic. So this is all for today. Remaining portion we will see in next video. Thank you.